Stop struggling with a messy to-do list. Today, I'm showing you how to turn Trello into a teamwork powerhouse by assigning tasks to your team in seconds. Let's dive in. First, fire up your Chrome browser, log in, and jump straight into your project board. Once you're there, let's start by creating a fresh card for your task. Just type the name and hit enter. Now, for the magic part, click back into that card to open up the full details view. On the right side, look for the Add Member button. Go ahead and click that, then simply type in your team member's name or email to tag them. You'll see their icon appear instantly, but we aren't done yet. To keep things crystal clear and avoid any confusion, head down to the description box. This is where you outline the mission and provide all the context your team needs. Once you're finished, I hit that save button and boom, you've just assigned your first task ever, see? Teamwork really is that simple when you have the right system.